video, new challenge, new diet. So this week's diet would be Ailee's diet. For those of you who don't know who Ailee is, she's a South Korean singer, amazing voice. But anyways, this diet is 500 calories per day. It includes 1 banana, a cup of chicken breasts, a cup of broccoli, and a cup of peppers with other vegetables. So I'm back at my regular weight. I'm at 102 pounds right now. We'll see how it goes. Updated. So today is end of day 1. I lost 1 pound. I did 500 jumping jacks and 30 crunches. I have a little bit of a headache. I feel very cold. This is only day 1, so we'll see what happens on day 2. Day 2 update. So I've been breaking out a lot, like this area and the chin area. But usually when I go on these diets, I do break out a lot. I don't know why. Weight-wise, I've lost another pound. Food-wise, I've been eating the same food. The only difference was that I use a tablespoon of hot sauce and a tablespoon of salad dressing to eat my food with, because the food was dry and tasteless. So I needed that to fill my stomach, or else I wouldn't be able to eat. I've been drinking the whole day. Yeah, that's the end of day 2. Oh, I also took a B12 supplement because I was running low on energy. Let's see what happens on day 3. Peace out. Today's the 3rd day, right? And the 3rd day, and it was horrible. I felt faintish. I had constant diarrhea. I was cold. I was irritated. I had no energy. In addition, I also took a B12 supplement because I was feeling weak. Yeah. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Hey, so today is day 4, and I've decided to stop on this day because I've reached the weight I want to stop at. So when I first started, I was at my normal weight at 102 pounds. I have lost 4 pounds within the 4 days, so I'm at 98 pounds right now. My body did get slimmer, just a tad bit. The good part about this diet was that I was less bloated and less gassy. The bad part was that I was feeling weak. I had constant diarrhea. My face was breaking out. It really sucks your energy. You have no energy. You're always tired. I had body aches everywhere, headaches. I just felt sick. So it is not a good one. I'll show you the results through pictures and videos. So just so you guys know what happens when you go on this diet for about 4 days. I was expecting to stay on it for like 5 or 6, but on the 4th day, I think I'm done. Moving on. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.